Yeah, so we are looking at 2019 GCE paper 1, question 16. This is second theorem. So for such questions, you need to know the properties of second theorem, okay? But I want to go deep into that. So we'll start by solving question A. So the question reads, question 16, 20, 60, questions 20. So this is 2019 GCE paper 1. So the question reads, in the diagram below, A, B, C, D, and E are points on the circumference of the circle with center O. So this is the center here. This is the angle 80 degrees. Center O, DE is equal to AD. So DE is equal to AD. So because of these two things here, they are the same. So those sides are the same, meaning this triangle like that makes an isosceles triangle. So the sides are the same, meaning these angles here, the base angles are equal. They are equal. So if there's a 20 there, it means there's a 20 there. So they are the same. Okay? So this is an isosceles triangle. So then AOE is 80 degrees angle. AOE here is 80 degrees there. Then ACB, this is a 20 there. There's a 20 degrees. So they want us to find angle ADE. So where is our A? So A is here. So you follow the line that takes you to D, which is this one. And then you follow the line that takes you to E. Where is E? Down there. So meaning the angle we want is this one here. So this is our angle. So by the properties of second theorem, so this angle at the center here is twice this one. So to find, then this one here is half of the angle at the center. So to find ADE, you just do half of the angle 80 degrees there. Then you have your answer, which is 40 degrees. Okay, so we have a 40 there. So half of 80. Yes. Then we go to DAE. So DA, so D is here. You go to the line that takes you to A, which is this one. Then you go to the line that takes you to E, which is this one. So the angle is this one here. Then remember we said this triangle here, ADE, is an isosceles. Okay? So, and angles in a triangle add up to what? 180. So, to find this angle there, which is DAE, we simply do 180 degrees minus 40, which will give us 140 degrees. So this 140 is for these two guys, since this is an isosceles, meaning this angle and this angle are the same. So when you add these two, they will give you a 140. So to find for one, we divide by 2. So 2 into 140 will give us 70 degrees. So meaning this angle here is 70 degrees there, and this one is also 70 degrees, this entire thing here. Okay? Yeah. Then we go to BAD. So BA, the line that takes you to A is this one. The line that takes you to D is this one. So BAD. So this is the angle here. What you want to find? This guy here. BAD. So that angle there, by properties, so what we can do is, remember we have a 20 here. So we can also do this. By the property, this AB is a chord. So this chord, when you look at this line here from B to C, and this line from A to C, so this line subtends the angle here, which is 20, and this line will take you to D, and this one will take you to D as well from A, meaning this one is also 20, and this one is also 20. So these two angles are subtended from the same chord. Okay, from the same chord AB. So these angles are the same. So I have the 20 and the 20 there. But we want to find this guy here. Now, if you pay attention, ADB is a triangle, okay? And angles in a triangle add up to what? 180. So we can find this angle here and add to 20 and subtract from 180 to give us this guy here. So this angle here, if you pay attention, follow this line, D to B and B to A and A to E, from E to D. So this angle, entire angle here, and this entire angle there, and this entire angle there, and this angle there, they're on the circumference of the circle, they're all touching. So there's that property, cyclic quadrilateral. So this makes a cyclic quadrilateral, four sides, okay? Quadrilateral, four sides. So they're touching the circle, cyclic quadrilateral. So there's a property, this angle here is directly opposite to this 70 here. So angles in a cyclic quadrilateral which are opposite, they add up to 180. So to find this guy here, we need to subtract from 180, 70 subtract from 180 to give us this guy here. So 70 subtract from 180, so we do 70, so 180 minus 70 will give us 110. Okay, give us 110. So there's a 110 here. Okay, now since there's a 110 there, what we're going to do is, remember DAB is a triangle and we want this guy there. So angles in a triangle add up to 180. So we say 180 minus 110 plus a 20, which is a 20 here, so then subtract from 170. So 110 plus 20 will give us 130. 130, okay. Then 180 minus 130 will give us a 50. So 50 degrees is our answer. So this guy here is 50. So here of a 50 there. Then that's it. So you just have to know the properties for circle theorem and apply them. Yeah.